Romance fills the air at Conicelli Nissan Service Center. I'm Jesse Barksdale, Service Manager, and I'm excited to share the fantastic savings available this February.
Reignite your passion for your Nissan at our Sweethearts Happy Hour. Join us on weekdays from 2 to 4 p.m. and save a heartwarming 15% off express repairs.
Our fast, convenient, expert service is designed to appreciate your schedule because we understand your time is as precious as your love for Nissan.
Celebrate your love for Nissan with Cupid's Touch. Enjoy $100 off on a warranty solutions purchase.
Whether it's comprehensive or powertrain coverage, our vehicle service contract offers transferable coverage, roadside assistance, car rental, and trip interruption coverage. All the love your Nissan deserves.
The air is filled with a romantic vibe, along with fantastic tire savings. Grab 3 tires and add the 4th to your collection for just $1.
Your Nissan deserves top quality, and our Adore Your Drive tire sale is your ticket to a delightful and seamless driving experience.
Ready to infuse more love into your Nissan?
Schedule your appointment with us by giving us a call at 888-289-5948 or visit ConicelliService.com to check out our other service specials. Let's make this February a month filled with love and worry-free drives. Here at Conicelli Nissan,
a nice place to do business.